All right, we're going to replace panels where there was once a skylight. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is we have to cut these down to make sure the other panel can go over top of them. We're going to cut this out. You have to squeeze it tight. Next step is you have to put your cleat on. Put your cleat on, get your compression tape, smooth it out. Then place it on the old panel. Run your screw. Down through. You need to run at least 5 screws across in order for the compression tape to actually work. Now that we have that in, we will take off down along the edge of each side. And now we're ready for the panel. Okay, the next step for the panel, to prepare the panel, put a nice firm surface under there. You take your panel bender, put it where you want it, and you bend it around like so, and then you flatten it a little bit because it needs to hook. And now we're ready to install the panel. Okay, then our next step, you have to cut this rib here. You have to cut this rib back so it sits down in here. So I find out where I need to make it. Okay, now we have to take this panel and hook to this cleat that's under here. Okay, next step is you put a screw here at the top, which will keep the panel from sliding. That will keep the panel from sliding down. Then you put on all your clips, roughly 18 inches apart, all the way down. And now we have a panels where there was once a skylight.